Let's get into the IPSY Boxycharm. The first thing I picked up is the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. This is a hair mask. Can't wait to use this because I love Amika products. I feel like they really replenish and hydrate the hair. Okay, next I see the Dermal Actives Triple Power Collagen Moisturizer. Nice big full size of this. I'm super excited. This looks very fancy. This feels very thick. So for the winter months, I think this is gonna be so nice. It says you can use twice daily. I'm definitely gonna use this tonight. I feel like this is a good product to use at nighttime so it can kind of soak into the skin while you're sleeping. You can wake up with beautiful moisturized skin. I also think this would be a great product to prep the skin with for makeup. I can't wait to add this to my makeup kit as well so my clients can have happy and healthy skin. This is the Volition Snow Mushroom Water Primer. I just looked up snow mushroom water because I wasn't sure what that was, but it holds 500 times its weight in water. While it's super hydrating, it still gives a matte finish. For the hipsters that like a more matte look, I think you're gonna love this. Next we have the Well People Expressionist Pro Mascara. I love this mascara. I actually keep it in my kit for my clients that prefer a more natural brand. This is gonna make your lashes really long. It has this really pretty, just sleek packaging. I'll show you guys this brush. This is the brush. This is gonna really give your lashes some good volume. And for the hipsters that like more natural brands, you're gonna love Well People. Fun fact, I've also worked with Well People, and this month, I'm just getting all these brands that I know and love, which I'm so excited about. Next, we have this gorgeous Natasha Denona palette. This palette comes with 4 gorgeous shimmers and then 1 matte dark brown. These are so pretty, especially for the holiday season. Let's do some swatches. Look at how pigmented that is. The color payoff is amazing. These are so easy to work with. You can literally just apply it with your finger and do such a quick eye look. So pretty. I love a shimmer. I'm most excited for the Natasha Denona palette. I can't wait to do some really fun eye looks for the holiday. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to IPSY's channel to stay in the know. Bye!